Rev up for a heavenly driving experience that goes beyond the ordinary. In today's Amazon review, we're diving into 5 essential elements that transform your car into a haven of serenity. From mind-refreshing gadgets to divine driving tips, get ready for a journey where the road meets rejuvenation. Transform your car care routine with the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner, an essential addition to your detailing kit. This small yet powerful 12V handheld portable vacuum ensures a spotless interior. Equipped with a 16-foot cord, attachments, and a convenient bag, it's tailored for on-the-go detailing, making it perfect for travel, RV campers, and everyday use. Experience the high-powered efficiency as it effortlessly tackles dirt and debris. Elevate your cleaning standards with this compact marvel, ensuring your vehicle stays pristine wherever the road leads. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel, your go-to solution for pristine car interiors. This innovative car detailing putty effortlessly tackles dust, dirt, and grime in hard-to-reach places. A versatile auto-detailing tool, it works wonders as a car interior cleaner, crevice cleaner, and keyboard cleaner. Embrace the ease of car cleaning with this vibrant purple cleaning slime, making car care a breeze. Elevate your car accessories game and keep your ride in top-notch condition. Transform your seating experience with our Lumbar Support Pillow, your remedy for lower back pain. Crafted from memory foam, it offers optimal support for office chairs, cars, and gaming chairs. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the 3D mesh cover enhances breathability during prolonged use. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to ergonomic relief. Elevate your well-being with this orthopedic backrest, providing unparalleled lower back pain relief for a more comfortable and enjoyable seating experience. Elevate your driving security with the REDTIGER dash cam front rear. Automobile movie camera. Immerse yourself in 4K/2.5K full HD clarity, captured by a sleek design equipped with a 3.16-inch IPS screen. This smart dash camera offers a 170 degrees wide angle for comprehensive coverage, enhanced by night vision and WDR for impeccable video quality, day or night. With built-in Wi-Fi GPS, effortlessly connect and track your journey in real time. The included 32 GB card ensures you're ready to roll instantly. Activate the 24H parking mode for continuous vigilance. Level up your driving experience with top-tier technology and peace of mind. Experience enhanced audio with the Samsung Bluetooth receiver for car. This black plus silver adapter effortlessly adds wireless capabilities to your car or home stereo/wired headphones. Its noise-canceling feature ensures premium sound quality. Seamlessly take hands-free calls for a safer drive. The impressive 16-hour battery life eliminates constant recharging hassles. Say farewell to tangled wires and embrace the ease of wireless connectivity. Transform your audio setup with this compact and stylish Bluetooth car adapter from Samsung, delivering both functionality and a touch of elegance to your listening experience. If you found any of these products intriguing and want to elevate your driving experience, you can conveniently make a purchase by clicking the links in the description below. These links will take you directly to the product pages on Amazon. By doing so, not only will you be enhancing your driving journey, but you'll also be supporting the channel. Your clicks and purchases help me continue creating content like this. So, go ahead, check out the links, and let's make every drive a divine one together. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!